ethics and communication, and guiding our young future doctors.
Now, the moment we all have been waiting for, the presentation of the white coats to the MBBS students of class 2021. Dear students, please adhere to the following guidelines. We will be calling out your names according to your roll numbers. When you hear your names, please proceed to the dais to receive your white coats. The next group of students are requested to line up near the stage. Student volunteers are requested to maintain the flow of students without any interruptions.
I request our chief guest, Dr. Raghuram Pillarisetti sir, to please do the honor of presenting the white coats to the first lot of MBBS students of class 2021. Arushi Agarwal. Aibad Hassan. Akhila Reddy. A. Sucharita. Amar Ballabh Das. Anjali Dara. Ankannagari Brunda. Anusha Pankaj Jariwala. Anushka Chaudhary. Thank you, sir.
I now request our distinguished professor and advisor, Dr. Dilip Matai sir, to kindly present the white coat to the next lot of students. Anvesha Mohanty. Arpan Patra. Arsheen Zuberi. Aryan Gupta. Ashish Sharma. Ashutosh Anand Singh. Sai Hemalata. B. Nitin. B. Vibhuna Tulasi. Thank you, sir.
I now request our Director Medical Services, Dr. Vijay Mohan Reddy sir, to present the white coats to the next lot of students. B. Kalyani. Bhavani Gauri Shetty. Bindu Smita Sahu. B. Yashaswini Reddy. Manish Babu. B. Chandrakiran. B. Vaishnavi. B. Nandini. Karishma. Thank you, sir.
May I now request our principal, Dr. Surendra Reddy sir, to kindly present the white coats to our students. C. Deeksha. C. Anusha. Ashrita Reddy. C. Tejaswini. Satya Santosh Sai. C. Grishmita. D. Bhanushree. D. Shubham Patro. Dasari Priyatarani. Thank you, sir.
Now, I would like to request our medical superintendent, Dr. Satyanarayana Reddy sir, to please present the white coats to our students. Vishwesh Deshmukh. Aditya Nag. Ridhima Reddy. D. Srilekha. M. Dharini Reddy. Dipen Bajaj. E. Rachna. Ishika Agarwal. G. Lakshmi Priya. Thank you, sir.
Now I would like to request Dr. L. Sridhar, Professor and Head Department of General Surgery, to kindly present the white coats to our students. G. Sravani. Gama Ranjan Das. G. Sanjana Reddy. G. Umakaran. Garima Sharma. Rahul Reddy. Gaurav Dadich. Thank you, sir.
Now, I would like to request Dr. Saju Cherian, Professor in the Department of Anatomy, to kindly present the white coats to our students. G. Supriya. Abhidnya. Sumit Kumar Maharaj. G. Nikhil Kumar. Hardik Reddy. Ridesh Tiwari. Janvi Kohli. Thank you, ma'am.
I request Dr. Malvi Datta, Professor, Department of Physiology, to kindly present the white coat to our students. Saisha, J. Neha, J. Vaishnavi, Javed Ahmed Siddiqui, J. Kusumanjali, K. Akshay Sahit, Kanak. Thank you, ma'am.
I'd like to request Dr.